Okay guys, good morning. So we got the bicycle from the Airbnb guy who hosts my hotel room. So we will make a tour and I will check if I can find people to make some sailing, because that was actually my main objective here, to gain some experience in sailing. And yes, yesterday evening it was a wild, crazy night. Maybe I have some footage of that as well.
I got on this old rusty shaking bike and I never thought that I would stay for more than 2 minutes on it, but I actually did a 30-minute ride on it to the marina, and there I started just randomly talking to people that were near boats or on boats, because yeah, I wanted to find somebody that would take me onto a sailing trip. Then I saw two guys on a boat and I just approached them and asked them, hey, we want to go out sailing, is it possible to go with you? And that's how I got to know Antonio and his brother, Esteban. Oh, there was a cute dog as well called Loba, Spanish for wolf. And that's how the journey started.
Later, it's possible swimming.
Yes?
Yes?
On the sea?
Like in the sea, it's possible swimming.
I don't want to go with catamaran or how we say comercial. No quiero fazer coisas comerciais. Con local people,
Yes?
it's the best experience.
Capitan is the very best captain of the whole port.
Yes?
It's possible looking the dolphin.
Yes?
Yesterday, looking the dolphin here in the port.
In the port?
Yes? No,
In front
out.
of the port.
Pero 200 meters approx.
Yes?
200 meters.
Remember his words, because you will see it later on in the video. We will find more than enough dolphins. So we went and fueled up the boat and made our way to the open ocean. We were heading straight towards the horizon on this beautiful sunny, calm day. There were no big waves or so. It was really perfect to experience sailing for the first time in my life. As calm as it was, there was no wind as well, so we just headed out.
Sí, sí.
Claro, también.
Sí. ¿Paraste?
Pero echa una cañita, ¿no? ¿Quieres que te la prepare? ¿Sí? Echa una cañita.
Are you fish?
Yes, possible.
Me gusta, sí. Mas nunca, never
Never fishing?
fishing in sea.
Sí, only
Faso en casa, en Alemania faso. Mas huevos,
Yes.
lakes. Lago.
En el lago.
En el lago, sí. Más nunca,
En el mar.
So Esteban put on the autopilot and we headed along the coast to find a nice spot to have a dip in the water.
Recta. Pero si es poniente, la vela iría, el flap iría para adelante. Ese es el aparente, Esteban. Es el aparente porque nosotros... Océano Atlántico. Muy frío.
Ainda mais frio.
Atlántico, esto es Mediterráneo.
Conheces Nazaré?
Nazaré. Sí. Queremos ir. Vamos a ir a Nazaré. A ver la ola.
Muy grande.
Sí, vamos a ir. Tenemos... I have one... camper. No, my... Sí, te digo. My friend. Surfer. My friend surfer. Go Nazaré forgett.
You sir?
No. My friend. Un amigo mío es surfer y todos los años va a Nazaré. El año que viene, cuando venga la ola grande, todos go Nazaré.
I jumped one last time into the refreshing ocean water and then I got back onto the boat. We hoisted the sails and we hoped for some wind. We were really lucky and after some time the wind picked up and dragged the boat across the sea. We were doing 5 knots at a time and I was really happy that nature allowed me to experience sailing finally. So yes, I was the captain now. And this is where all the magic started.
Capitán. The captain of the 7 oceans, no? The 7 oceans. 7 oceans. Capitán. Loba. Loba.
Suddenly Antonio spotted some dolphins and started hauling in the jib sail. Esteban started the engine and we made our way to the direction of the dolphins.
¿Dónde están los pájaros?
Mas o motor faz mal aos animais?
No. ¿Ahí? Cuenta la mierda del teléfono. Mira que cómo va navegando con el motor. Un poquito de vapor. ¿Agua?
While approaching the dolphins, we saw a manta ray and stopped to have a look at it. This was the first time I saw one in its natural environment. A short distance ahead of us, we also found a moonfish.
Yes, I do.
Here. Moonfish. Here.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I couldn't take a video of it because the moonfish was too far away. But we then arrived at the dolphins and it was just magical.
Oh.
You pass the video for me, okay?
Yes. Wow, he's fast. They're so fast. Oh.
son muy bonitas, muy divertidas.
Very fun, very fun.
Yes, this is mother.
See, it's possible.
At first we thought it would be 5 or so, but more and more of them appeared. At the end, there were maybe about 15 dolphins or so in the water. We could not count them because they were all spread around the boat.
Es que estas son espectaculares.
Do you like, Sasha?
Yes, yes. Best experience. Very nice.
Están jugando con nosotros.
Los tenemos. Estamos en un banco que habrá unos 15 aproximadamente. Nos damos aquí en la proa.
We headed to the direction of the marina and wanted to sail back to shore, and they were just all around us. If you like what you see, just click the like button below, and don't forget to follow my channel, where you will see more such amazing stuff in the future.
Oh my god.
How many? Cuéntanos, Esteban, a ver cuántos hay. Mira, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my god, there are more. 20.
20?
I don't know. Maybe. Look, there are more. There are 2 minimum. There are 3. There are more 2, 3.
Right here you can clearly see that there were way more than 5 dolphins. This moment really made my day, and I was so happy. It was so awesome.
Y nos están acompañando porque vamos navegando. Queremos estar acompañando a nosotros. Es que eso es lo que tienen estos peces, que nos acompañan. Son muy sociables, claro. Pero el otro no. El mular no. ¿El mular no? No.
I was really thankful to meet Antonio and Esteban at the marina, and we had a really great adventure. It was so awesome. Soon we arrived back at the marina, where we left the boat behind and we went to a restaurant to have some good food. This is one of the moments in my life I will never forget. I made new friends and had a great time. I hope you enjoyed the content. If so, check out the rest of my channel.